Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on a car, please help me subscribe and click that bell notification so every time I have new video, you guys be updated. Right now I'm working on a 2013 Chrysler 200 2.4. Right now the current code is ambient temperature sensor. You can see check engine lights right there. Now you can see I took the top piece cover right here out, and right away you can see the ambient temperature sensor. I think I don't think it's located here. It's somewhere on the bottom of the frame, but someone worked on this before, and they zip tied it, and somehow the sensor was hanging on the floor and it's dragging. That's why it was broken on the bottom piece right here, and I bought the original part for it. This is the part number from Mopar, and this is the sensor. When I looked it up on the computer, it says the ambient temperature sensor is located right in front of the condenser right here on the right end of the right side right here. So to take out the sensor, you're gonna push this red tab back and press on it from the back. That way you can pull it out. And for the new one, I'm just gonna install it back. So since you're here installing the new sensor, make sure you guys check for the connector. Make sure the pin inside is not damaged, the wires are okay. If it's good, go ahead and plug everything back. There you go, lock it. There's usually a bracket here or around here, but this car, everything's broken. You can see a missing piece here, missing piece at the bottom. So I'm just gonna have it here just to leak the air. Let me show you the code again. There you go, that's the code P0073. Now I'm gonna clear it. That's it. Key off, key back on. So that's it guys, so pretty easy problem. If you're new to the channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any comment down below, ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But that's it for this video guys. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.